Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about vertebrates and invertebrates. We have come to know that vertebrates have a backbone, usually larger and faster than invertebrates, have a developed brain, and have a complex nervous system. All right. So, these are the examples. Amphibians, reptiles, mammals, fish, and birds are all part of vertebrates. Invertebrates do not have a backbone, are usually small and slow moving, do not have a well developed brain, have a simple nervous system. Okay, so we have learned about vertebrates. So, fish important features, they have gills, they have presence of scales, they have fins, right? So, this is what we have learned. They respire through gills, right? And another important features of amphibians, they live both on land and water. The scales are dry, and some students they have mentioned that their legs are long. All right, so they breathe through lungs and through gills. All right, so this were the important features that we have learned in our previous class. Now today we are going to learn about the reptiles and their important features. First, they have rough skin. Their skins are made up of scales and are waterproof. So the body, the skins are rough and they are waterproof. And they are cold-blooded animals. In the previous class only we have uh, learned about cold, but I have told you about the battery, the charger, the mobile. We have learned about that in detail. Examples are lizard, tortoise. You have crocodile, snakes. They are some examples of reptiles. So as you can see the clip over here, these are the pictures of reptiles you must have seen in Discovery Channel or National Geography Channel. Next one we are going to learn about birds. One of the most beautiful creation of God, birds. When you see the external features, you will see that they are covered with feathers. They have a light body. They have wings and they have a toothless beak. These are the external features of a bird. Whenever you see a bird, you will see these very important features. So they have body covered with feathers. They have a light body. Not all birds can fly. Some of them are flightless birds also, like ostrich. All right, but because of the special features that they have, that is feathers, they have wings, and they have toothless beak. That is why they are considered as birds. All right, you can see the big beautiful picture of birds over here. Next very important characteristics that we're going to learn is about mammals. They have fur or hair. They drink their mom's milk when they are babies. That is, they have a very uh, important feature in mammals is that they have presence of mammillary glands. All right, so that is what when we are young we drink our mother's milk from there. All right, that is called mammillary gland. In males also we have mammillary gland, but it has no function. All right, they are warm blooded, so whenever we eat we feel very warm. So I'm going to talk about this warm blooded. We are going to learn about them this in June class again. All right, warm blooded, which means they can create their own body heat and cool down their bodies. All right, so we humans, we mammals, we have the ability to keep ourselves warm, as well as we can also cool our body. Very important features once again, have presence of hair, drink their mother's milk when they are babies, warm-blooded, which means they can create their own body heat and cool down their bodies. So these are the examples of mammals. We humans, rabbits, having hairs and furs. These are the best examples of mammals. Monkeys, chimpanzees, deer, kangaroos. So in children, today's assignment, mention any two important features and examples of reptiles. So any two importance. When you see a reptile, what do you see? Please do not write from the book. Whatever you know, please write. Aves, that is birds. Alright? So what do you see in birds? And mammals. What do you see in mammals? Two very important features. Presence of hair, mammillary gland. Alright? So please write it down. Okay? So this is all we'll be learning for today.